Good morning, afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are. It is very early, but you read the title, we're going to Morgan Park. That's what we're doing to try it out, so we'll see what happens. Alright. Now, I don't even know what the track looks like over the hill, but I'm just going to go for full party. So, this is going to look very gumpy, is probably the word. All types of things are probably going to happen, as I don't want to be too abusive on the diff because she's a little bit noisy, and I do have two 5.5s on. I've got some Bellinos on the back. They're not new, neither are the front tyres, so we'll just see how it all goes. But this is going to look very, it's going to be stuff happening in this one. I don't know what gear, I have no idea. All I know is someone's doing a drift, and apparently it's hard on tyres, so we will find out. definitely interesting. The tyres definitely got real slippery on that lap, really, that first one. So currently, feeling a bit straight. It's actually really strange course. I don't have to go breathful chatted, so I'm just saying it again, but it's quite an interesting course, quite an interesting layout. I'll change some tyres, I'm gonna hit it back out, see what happens. Hey cowboy! And girls, I'm gonna do turn, I don't know what turn. I actually have no idea what I'm freaking even talking about, but I am gonna do the first section, as I've only done the back section, and that was very ugh. So I'm gonna do this one. Apparently not as ugh, so that it will be good. And we'll find out that. You know what I mean. So what happened there was basically because of the back stretch, I did too much angle, well not too much angle, but basically too much foot brake, and I didn't get it to settle enough, so slightly rowdy, but I prefer this course a whole lot better. Kind of sick, like singing third gear there, bit more flowy. Woo! Actually, that actually G'd me up that one, I was got excited there. Takes a lot for me to get excited these days. Alright, so it's third lap. I need to remember that the tyres are getting a bit down. Is that going to mean anything? Probably not really, because I'm a bit special when it comes to injuries. Feel like it. I don't know if this is too much information, but the run was average. Sack whacked myself middle of that, throwing up off the top over on the top, on circuit 1, throwing over the top, grabbed fourth gear. Not doing too well actually. It's kind of interesting if you have ever done a little sack whack while drifting. It's a weird thing because you kind of you're in pain, but you're suffering, but yet you're still having fun. It's a really strange one. I don't know how to explain it. Sorry, women, you don't get to experience that. But that is it's a very weird thing because honestly, it's probably the best time to get sack whacked because you kind of don't even have to worry about the fact that you've been sack whacked. Although your mind's very much not focusing on the fact that you're drifting, it is weird 50-50 where you tune in for a moment and tune out, focus on the pain for a second, and then realise, well, you can't focus on the pain, you got to watch where you're going and do all that stuff. So yeah, good update. Yeah, thank you, not bad yourself. Alright, we're doing full track at Morgan Park. I'm not going to drift all the turns because tyres and temperatures, but I guess we'll just do a cut and snip of something you've got to say.
say anything about a black flag?
No?
It looks like it's...
I don't know what a black flag. I was like, oh, maybe there's oil down. That's all I thought.
Black flag to me is a band.
No, black flag would be come off. Like, that's what I would think.
Go get back in line.
Yeah, I got to change my tyres. I didn't come off because of that. I came in with my tyres and stuff.
Oh.
No one told me about a black flag. Well, maybe it's black pride.
Maybe they should do their briefings better.
Maybe. Well, they actually didn't even say the flag colours or it's just wrong. Yeah, I did nothing about it. But there's a guy broken down over there. Ah. Yeah.
Kept dropping it off the track and kept the foot into it, mate. It's alright if you drop off, it happens, but you kept the toe into it.
We're just up the top?
And around on the other side too as well, the guys were reporting it.
Oh, yep. Car is on. Tow car is on. Successful time. Hope you guys, I mean, it sucks a little bit at this point because I don't know how great the footage is, but I'm hoping that the inside stuff is good. It was definitely pretty rowdy, doing the like from the very back across the front, 4th gear to there. It was a good time. I was in my element, so I was having a hell mad. So that was gangster. So hopefully Morgan Park brings us back. I'm trying to work out how well the non-turbo cars will go. Definitely not going to be able to do the whole track because there's a lot of uphill stuff. But ooh. Cream team. Yes, I really want to. I'm hoping I'm definitely going to bring the auto car up here at some stage to see how that goes, depending on their dates as well, because I do want to take Dazza down to Victoria and do some keep it read events. So just going to see how that all goes. But we did buy another shell of an AU. I don't know who else would buy a shell AU, but we did to re-shell Archer. Because it had the fire on the dash and it's going to be easier. So we're going to do that. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a bit of a ripper time. Struggled a little bit in the morning with basically forgot how to drive. So we sorted that out. You've seen that. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.